If you're a mom who's currently in an abusive situation or just in a non-ideal living situation with a man and y'all's children, you are wanting to get out of there. You are wanting to start getting out, start forming a life that is meant for you, a life that serves you, a life that gives you true freedom to live in bliss and live in harmony with your children. Then comment XSCAPE on this video. My XSCAPE Women's Grounding Program is helping women take the first steps to start planning their escape from this non-ideal living situation that they're in, the man that they married, right? This program literally will save your life. As a woman who made it out of an abusive stay-at-home mom situation, my situation was more so verbal abuse, more so emotionally abusive, much more of that than physical abuse, although that was mixed in there as well. As someone who escaped from that situation and is now building herself up from the ground, from scratch, I created a sacred program for other women just like me who don't want to be trapped in these situations forever. This XSCAPE program is vital for your freedom, okay? Just comment XSCAPE. I'll send you a link. You can read all about it. This will be the best decision that you ever make for your life, girl. Stay strong, y'all. Love you. And I actually forgot to mention the saddest part of it is that I guess this is his book from when he was going through the same type of situation with his children and his other children's mother. I guess, he was in a battle fighting for his kids as well. So, just the irony, the irony of like taking a child away from, your ex, someone that you made a child with, and cutting off the communication and stopping a parent from seeing their own child, especially after having gone through it. What's your motive? Like, what's the motive? If you have already been through that type of pain of not being able to have access to your children, why put somebody else through it? Like, I will never understand that. Maybe I will someday. I don't know.